Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix no sound plays after you connect your earbuds with a phone. The first one what we can do is to restart audio player. So let's say you use Apple Music, just remove it from the cache and open it again. Then check, maybe it fixes your problem. If it doesn't, we should check if you have the last software version. So open SOUNDCORE application and then click on your earbuds here. Now go to the update firmware at the bottom and checking for update. It said that I have the last software version. If you haven't, you will have a button download and install. So tap on it and it can fix your problem. Next one, what can help you? I recommended to install, to restart your device. So let's say you use this iPhone, I recommended to turn off and turn on this phone. Next one, the last one, what we can do is to perform a factory reset. Go to the settings, open Bluetooth. Now put your earbuds to the charging case and then at the bottom of the charging case we have connectional button. You need to press and hold on it until this LED light flashed red 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Now you can release your finger, and firstly we need to remove these earbuds from the device list. Click the information icon or settings icon, forget the device and forget device. If you have Android, click pair a new device after that, and after a factory reset, these earbuds enter to panic mode automatically, so we will see it at the device list. Right now we have it. Just tap on it, and if you have Android, click pair also. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!